So we are on day 5. I went to leave out to the shop last night, and my brakes were feeling a little, they had a lot more travel than they did earlier in the day, so I suspected that maybe my brake master cylinder was leaking, and I was wrong. But my brakes are leaking. Check this out. So I pulled the cap off. Ow. I should have grabbed the flathead, but whatever. There we go. So, yeah, we are bone dry. So, throw some fluid in now. Hopefully no air got in. I don't have to re-bleed the brakes. But I need to run to the shop. I gotta do 2 things right now. So I need to run to the shop and get my floor jack because the car is too low for me to actually get under there and see which brake line might be leaking. I was gonna drive it to the shop, or try to drive it to the shop yesterday, but I thought against it. Use my better judgment for once. So, but yeah, once I get the floor jack, I can get under there and see which brake line it is and go from there. Also, I gotta snatch this carburetor off real quick and take it over to Pontiac Dave's house. He's a carburetor extraordinaire. I mean, I've helped him take carburetors apart, but when it comes to actually doing them, I always defer to him because he's done like 1,000 of them. So, yeah, let's get the carburetor off and head to Dave's house. All right, so carburetor's off. Nothing special. Just a Quadrajet 4-barrel. So I'm gonna go take it to Dave's house, but somebody has been in here. This is an aftermarket carburetor gasket. So at some point, sometimes somebody was messing with the carburetor. So I'll put something over that while we go and run over to Dave's house. Get this thing taken apart. Just made it up to Dave's house. Checking out the hot rod. Look at those reeds. Look at that. So I'm gonna take this carburetor apart right now and then see what we got going on. Ready for a time lapse? Pretty much all the way done taking the carburetor apart. I got a few other pieces, but they're not too scary. I just try to take off the screws in the way they came out of the carburetor, so got a good idea where everything goes back. Don't want to lose these tiny clips right here. So it's a good idea to lay everything out on a napkin and take it apart like this. Pull the gasket out. Pulled that slowly, so won't need another gasket, I don't think. But yeah, you can see the gas is still pulled up in here. So I'll take a few more things out, take all this out, and then do a whole lot of cleaning. Everything is out. And I wonder if I can get this on camera. So there's some crap in here. Let's see. That stuff. That's a bug. And then there's a bug in there too. Dead, of course, but yeah. So that's not good.
Did you get it off?
Yeah. There's 2 bugs in here.
What are you doing?
Showing the bugs. Looks like a bug there and a bug in this one. So I'm gonna rinse them out. Get to work. Now that everything is clean, time to start the reassembly. Clean cleaned everything out, all the ports, all that good stuff. And there aren't any broken pieces, so that's good. We're able to save the gasket. So yeah, back together she goes. There we have it. Carburetor's all done. Don't be mad if I was glazed over all the intricate details. I do have a video where we actually took a carburetor completely apart. I did step by step, so I'll drop that for you guys soon. But due to time constraints and the fact that I didn't feel like doing all the intricate stuff this time, there we have it. About a 10-second carb rebuild. So now I'm gonna get this to the house and put it back on the wagon and finish cleaning it out. Start changing all the fuse, all light bulbs, all that stuff, and get back to driving. So we out.